Okay, so here we are in the sunny hills of Manchester to show you our first Wolfsburg camper in association with the Ply Guys. So come and have a look. Look at that. So I'm going to give you the full walk around and tell you everything that it's got and all the features. There's absolutely loads, so bear with me if I'm rambling a little bit. This is the configuration we've gone for, and it's one of many. Right, so this is a Toridan bed system, and you'll have to bear with me on the pronunciation of all of the furniture as well. It's all in Gaelic. We pronounced it, yeah. No, it's not Gaelic. And if you say Gaelic to the Scots, they get offended, so I found out it's Gaelic. Right, so this is a Toridan system. You've got loads of storage. Come and have a look in there. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a divider that can go in there, but we've got the cook station in at the minute. So really useful, because in a traditional camper, I feel like I'm doing one of them infomercials. You know, where you're selling something. Have you seen that guy that does the slap chop? You want to chop vegetables? Chop, 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 chop.
Hi, it's Fitz with Slap Chop. You're going to be in a great mood all day because you're going to be slapping your troubles away with the Slap Chop.
Right, so this is it. Set your cooker up. You've got your gas bottle there. Connects up, and you can cook outside. Traditional campers have got a kitchen inside, but you're never going to use it. Everyone we speak to with a camper, they never use the kitchen. They don't want to spit bacon fat up the sides of the vans and make it stink, and they don't want to make a brew and fill it full of steam. So you can do either on here. You can boil your kettle. This has got a 2-burner stove. We sell all the accessories as well, and then it just folds away. If you're not using it as a cook station and you're not going to cook, then you've got loads of storage for all your kit. If you're mountain biking, kayaking, motocross, you name it. All this furniture has been considered with sport and hobbies in mind. So that's your storage. Left hand side, you've got your Clacken storage system. Now again, you can have a double pull out if you want, but this is the way we spec it. And this has got bungees everywhere, so you can put all your kit in there. So all your bags, all your camping gear, you just pull the bungees down, and you've got loads of storage under there as well. And then of course, so you've got your bed system that pulls out, that locks into place. I'm not very elegant when I'm doing this, but you get the gist of it. And there you go, you've got a big full-size bed. We've got some cushions here, and this is all Harris tweed upholstery as well. So to tie in with the theme, Ply Guys are up in Scotland. If you don't know about them, check them out on social media and on their website too. And we're installers of all their stuff. So this is Harris tweed from the Hebrides, and it looks great in orange. We've got other colours as well. You've got Atlantic blue, green, black and white. We've got black and white in our caddy, we'll show you that. So the core features of these builds are obviously the birch ply panels on the sides and the roof. So we've got 4 LED spotlights in this as well. And if you look at the pattern on the roof, this isn't just a random pattern. These are actually mountains in Scotland. Yeah, I can't tell you which ones, but I'm sure the guys at the Ply Guys will drop in the comments and tell you which mountains these are. So these are, if you look above from a map, these are actual mountains.